and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do another DIY on holiday decorations. This is actually really fun to do with the kiddos and with your loved ones. They are really easy and they are cheap as well. So some of my materials are reused. So all you need are, if you have the paper plate or paper bowl from your previous parties, don't throw it out if there's some excess, so you can use them, or you can buy it in the dollar store for like a dozen or more for $1. And of course you need a bamboo stick. You know, these are actually the excess from our previous 4th of July barbecue things, so we still have them. And you need a glue, of course, and also a glue gun, and also glitters. Color is optional, so this is the only available that I have, so I'm gonna use it. And also you need a clear plastic bag. Since this decoration is for outdoors, so most of my DIY has a plastic, you know, so it won't get ruined when it rains. So, because most of my DIY are recyclable and paper materials. And you need a ribbon as well. You don't have to buy the one that is already, already done as a ribbon. So it's more fun if you're gonna do it yourself. So I bought a roll of silver thing. So I will just, make a ribbon out of it, and it's really fun showing to the kiddos how to do it, you know. It's learning for them. So there you go. So yeah, and make another ribbon. So that is pretty easy to do. And also, you need these things, different colors. It's up to you what kind of colors you like. This is actually a reuse again. Since last year, I used this one for outside, and the wind is super strong here during Christmas because we're near at the beach, so we pretty much got all the winds. So it got ruined, so I just cut them into small pieces so I can use them. And everything that you can think for decorations, just pile it on your, in your table, so you might use it. Something like this. This is how I will cut it to use it. And I think that's it. So we're gonna start. Oh, also you need a paint. Also, color is optional again. So I have a few. I have like blue, red, and yellow. So we're gonna use, we're gonna do painting. This is really fun. The kids gonna love doing this one. So let's start, and I'm gonna show you how, and this is really easy. So that's the end. It's really easy, like I said, and it's really fun to do with the loved ones, and especially for the kiddos. And don't forget to like my video, subscribe on my channel, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Also, don't forget to check out my joint button section in my next vlog.